Last week I went to Intergeo in Germany where Emlid officially presented their new GNSS receiver line. While I was there, they asked what I thought and if I wanted to try one. So I asked Igor, the Emlid CEO, if he could lend me the unreleased RS4 Pro demo unit for about 30 minutes. I took it on the streets of Frankfurt to get a quick feel for the new features in real life condition and to see how it actually performs compared to the RS3. This isn't a full review, just an honest first look on what's new, what's improved, and what surprised me the most. The new Emlid Reach RS4 Pro comes with some serious upgrades. We are talking about 672 channels compared to 180 on the RS3, a new design, a quick release system, and a more powerful radio module. But the biggest change is the new camera module. That's what really caught my attention. So during those 30 minutes, I focused on testing two features: measure from images and stakeout with AR guidance. First, the receiver initialized instantly and stay fixed the entire time. I started with measure from images, and this one is seriously clever. It's perfect for points that are hard to reach and for areas where GNSS signal is weak, like under the trees or between tall buildings. So how does it work? Basically, it's photogrammetry built right into the receiver. The RS4 Pro uses its top camera to record a short video of the area of interest around 90 to 180 degrees horizontally. Since it uses a rolling shutter camera, you just move a bit slower for best results. Then Emlid Flow extracts the video frames automatically. You can pick the exact spot you want to measure, review it, and the software calculates the coordinates for you. Then you just store the point like a regular GNSS measurement. It's simple, it's fast, and honestly, it feels futuristic. Next, I tried the stakeout with AR guidance. This one uses the camera and an augmented reality overlay to guide you visually to the point. Instead of just following numbers on the screen, you actually see the point right there in real world view on your tablet or your phone. When you're still at a distance, the system uses the top camera to guide you in, but when you get closer to the point, it automatically switches to the bottom camera for more precise alignment. It's a small detail, but it makes big difference on sight. The transition is smooth, it feels natural, almost like having an extra pair of eyes guiding you in. It's more intuitive, faster, and really useful in busy or uneven areas where traditional stakeout can be tricky. Again, this was just a quick 30 minutes test with the demo unit in Frankfurt, but even from that short session, I can tell the RS4 Pro is not just an update, it's a real step forward in how we collect and visualize survey data. Once I get a production unit, I will do a full review, accuracy test, camera precision, and a full Emlid Flow workflow. If you want to see that when it drops, make sure you're subscribed and let me know in the comments what you would like me to test first.